Practice the rhyme. Then I go. Very good. Now we'll recite the rhyme and enjoy it. When I grow, I want to be a detective with a master key. I could be a soldier, perhaps a sailor too, or become a keeper at Nandantananju. I would like to own a trumpet and play a musical tune, or buy a private spaceship to fly me to the moon. I would like to be the driver of an express diesel train, or be a lighthouse keeper where I want and when. For the more one lives, the more one learns. I think I will be all these things and go on taking turns. Students, recite the poem and practice it. This poem is about the thinking process of a child. It tells us what the child wants to become when he or she grows up. We can all relate to the poem. All of us love to think of what we want to be when we grow up. In the future, what is your aim? Whenever we see any professional or hear of any profession, exciting profession, for example, doctor, engineer, IAS, OS, administrative fields, in any exciting professions, we think of doing that. When we grow up, as a child, every profession attracts us and we want to do them all. The child in this poem wants to be a detective with a master key. Detective means a person who investigates the crimes. A person, when I grow, I want to be a detective with a master key. At first, he or she wants to be a detective. Detective means a person who investigates the crimes with the help of a master key. Master key means any key. A key which can open any locks. With the help of a master key, a detective detect the crimes. The second, I could be a soldier, perhaps a sailor too. Second is, he said that he wants to become a soldier. Soldier, he says the soldier save the country. He saves the country. Then sailor. Then he wants to be a sailor. Sailor means the sailor who sails ship on the sea. Sailor who sails ship on the sea. Then he or she, a child, wants to be a keeper, the zookeeper at Nandankanan Zoo. He wants to be a keeper at Nandankanan. Zookeeper means a person who take care of the birds and animals in the zoo. Zookeeper. Then I would like to own a trumpet and play a musical tune. Own a trumpet. Own. That is the jockey's own. So he owned a trumpet. Trumpet means a musical instrument which is made of brass. A musical instrument which is made of brass. So the child wants to be a trumpet and play a musical tune. He play a musical tune with the help of a trumpet. So he wants to be a musician. Or buy a private spaceship to fly me to the moon. By private spaceship, with the help of a private ship, he fly to the moon. I would like to be the driver of an express diesel train. He wants to become a driver of an express diesel train. Then, or be lighthouse keeper, where I want and when. Lighthouse keeper, lighthouse, there is the sea, the light gives the ships to the, where is the ship is near or far to the sea. So the lighthouse he wants to be a lighthouse keeper. Lighthouse keeper is situated in the seashore. It is situated in the seashore. He is the keeper or the god of the lighthouse keeper. So he wants certain names: fast detective, then soldier, then sailor, then zookeeper, then a musician with the help of a trumpet, and he fly to the moon with the help of a private spaceship. Then he wants to be a driver in the express diesel train, and at last he wants to be a lighthouse keeper or guard of the lighthouse. So she wants more and more aims in his life, in her life. Finally he decides he wants to be all of these. He says he can go on doing everything, one after another in thoughts. Because the more one lives, the more one lost. Students, I will ask some questions. What does a detective do? What does a detective do? A detective investigates a crime. A detective investigates a crime. Investigates a crime. What is a master key? What is a master key? A master key is a key that can open any locks. A master key is a key which can open any locks. Where the child want to be a keeper? Where the child want to be a keeper? The child want to be a keeper in Nandankanan Zoo. The child wants to be a keeper. The child wants to be a keeper. A keeper in Nandankanan Zoo. In Nandankanan Zoo. Next, what does the child want to own? What does the child want to own? The child wants to own a trumpet. The child The child wants to own a trumpet. Wants to own a trumpet. How can the child play a musical tune? How can the child play a musical tune? The child can play a musical tune with the help of blowing a trumpet. Blowing a trumpet. But with the help of a trumpet, the child can play. The child can play a musical tune. Musical tune with the help of a trumpet. With the help of a trumpet. What type of train does the poet describe in the poem? The diesel express train. The poet described in the poem. Next, where can we see a lighthouse? We can see a lighthouse in the seashore. In the seashore. In the poem, the poet describes diesel express train. In the poem, the poet describes the diesel express train. Express train. Next, where can we see a lighthouse? We can see a lighthouse in the seashore. We can see a lighthouse in the seashore. In the seashore. Next, what does the child want to do at Nandankanan Zoo? What does the child want to do at Nandankanan Zoo? What does the child? The child want to be a keeper at Nandankanan Zoo. The child wants to be a keeper. The child wants to be a keeper. At Nandankanan Zoo. What does the child want to be with a master key? What does the child want to be a master key? The child wants to be a detective. Wants to be a detective with the help of a master key. With the help of a master key. Next, what does the child want to buy? The child wants to buy a private spaceship. What does the child want to buy? The child wants to buy a private spaceship. The child wants to buy a private spaceship. private space Students, write down the additional questions and answer in your question answer notebook and practice comprehension question and additional question answer. Thank you.